Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes.
Commedia Dell'Arte, masked mayhem, physical comedy, and stock characters that still shape sitcoms today. Commedia dell'arte began in Italy in the 1500s. The name means comedy of the professional artists because for the first time, acting was a profession. Actors were paid to perform, and troupes of travelling performers entertained crowds in streets, marketplaces, carnivals, and even royal courts. The performance style was bold, physical, and improvised, with gags, tricks, and silly stunts called lazzi. Over time, lazzi became a whole library of comic accidents and pranks that audiences loved. Think the banana skin falls or chasing the annoying fly. Performances were full of acrobatics, slapstick, and exaggerated gestures, and of course, masks. And the bigger the nose on the mask, the dumber the character. Commedia dell'arte stock characters fell into three groups. The masters, or the vecchi, which were Pantalone, a greedy old merchant obsessed with money. He was always tricked and made a fool of. Il Dottore, a pompous doctor who spouts endless nonsense and wrong advice. And Il Capitano, a boastful soldier bragging about his courage until he's exposed as a coward. And then there were the servants, or the zanni. Arlecchino was the cheeky acrobat, always hungry, always messing up messages and always getting into trouble. And Colombina, the clever maid, witty, crafty, and often the smartest on stage. And then there were the lovers, or the innamorata. They were beautiful, poetic, and dramatic. They don't wear masks, but use props like fans and handkerchiefs. Their only goal? To be in love. Think Isabella and Flavio floating across the stage with flowery speeches. Commedia dell'arte wasn't just about laughs, it was a revolution in performance. Its influence lives on in clowning, sketch shows, sitcoms and cartoons, from Fawlty Towers to The Simpsons and Mr. Bean. Every pratfall, every status game, and every over-the-top character owes something to Commedia dell'arte. A noisy, chaotic, endlessly entertaining art form that changed theatre forever.
Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.